Tiger Happy teaches Chinese. 福虎教中文。Hi there. I'm Tiger Happy. I'm 12 years old now. Today, I will introduce some Chinese verbs to you. Are you ready? Explanation and exercises. 详解及练习。走路，走路 is mostly used as verb, which means to walk. For example, 我在走路，我在走路。福虎在走路，福虎在走路。Sometimes it also can be used as adverb. For example, 我走路去学校，我走路去学校。福虎哥哥也走路去学校，福虎哥哥也走路去学校。These two sentences, 走路 is adverbial of minor, which means on foot. We can use it to answer the how questions. For example, how do you go to school? The answer is, I go to school on foot. 你怎么样去学校？我走路去学校。How does the older brother of Tiger Happy go to school? He goes to school on foot. Obviously, in these two sentences, 走路 is the adverbial of minor to answer the questions of how. 走路 can also use as gerund. For example, 我喜欢走路，我喜欢走路。But why do we say it's gerund but not verb? Because the functions of 走路 here is just like a noun. For example, what do you like? I like a book. What do you like? I like walking. Here, 走路 with the meaning of walking is come from the verb to walk. So it is gerund but not a verb. 跑步，跑步，跑步 is frequently used as verb. For example, 我在跑步，我在跑步。我爸爸也在跑步，我爸爸也在跑步。In these sentences, 跑步 is used as verb with the meaning to run, to jog. It's functioned as the predicate of the sentence. It's related to this kind of questions. What are you doing? I'm running or I'm jogging. What's your father doing? He's running or he's jogging. Another two examples. 我跑步去学校，我跑步去学校。福虎弟弟也跑步去学校，福虎弟弟也跑步去学校。I run to school or I jog to school. The younger brother of Tiger Happy also runs to school. In these two examples, if we regard 跑步 to run, to jog, as the predicate of the sentence, 去学校 to school should be the modifier of the verb. In other words, 去学校 to school is the adverbial of the sentence. It can be used to deal with this kind of questions. For example, with what purpose do you jog? I jog with the purpose to go to school. Or why does the younger brother of Tiger Happy also run? He also runs with the purpose to go to school. Let's summarize the key points. In these two examples, 我跑步去学校，福虎弟弟也跑步去学校。If 跑步 with the meaning of to run, to jog, is used as a verb, function as the predicate of the sentence, 去学校 go to school or to school should be the adverbial of the sentence. 跑步 is also can be used as gerund, 动名词。我喜欢跑步，我喜欢跑步。喜欢 here is verb. It functions as the predicate of the sentence. And then 跑步 with the meaning of running is the object of the sentence. That's why we say 跑步 here is a gerund but not a verb. Maybe it's necessary for us to say something more about these two examples. There is another possibility to explain them. That is, we regard 去学校 with the meaning of to go to school as a verb. It's functioned as the predicate of the sentence. And then what will happen to 跑步 with the meaning to run, to jog? In this situation, 跑步 is not verb anymore. It changed from verb to adverb. Its function in the sentence is also influenced. It changed from the predicate 谓语 into the adverbial 状语. It's related to how questions. 怎么样? For example, how do you go to school? I go to school by running, by jogging, on foot, or by bicycle. How does the younger brother of Tiger Happy go to school? He also goes to school by running, by jogging, on foot, or by bicycle, by bus. In these questions and answers, we can find 跑步 deals with the method issue or the manner issue. It's not related to a verb or predicate. That's why we say it's adverb and used as adverbial in the sentence. 读书，读书。读书 is often used as a verb with the meaning to read, especially to read a book. For example, 我在读书，我在读书。我哥哥也在读书，我哥哥也在读书。In these examples, 读书 is used as verb. It's used as predicate of the sentence. What are you doing? I'm reading. And what is your brother doing? He's also reading. 读书 is also can be used as gerund, 动名词。For example, 福虎喜欢读书。福虎喜欢读书。福虎爸爸也喜欢读书。福虎爸爸也喜欢读书。In these examples, 读书 with the meaning reading is come from the verb to read. The function of 读书 with the meaning of reading here is the object of the sentence, but not predicate. That is the reason why we say 读书 here is gerund instead of verb. What does Tiger Happy like? He likes reading. What does the daddy of Tiger Happy like? He likes also reading. Homework for today. How to say these sentences in Chinese. Hi, my dear friends. How about my Chinese lesson? Do you like it? Am I a good teacher? Then please give me a thumb up or your comment. See you next time. 再见，再见，再见。